Hello to all the students. Welcome to UGC NET, the June 2024 preparation. And on this platform of Global Online, we welcome you all for your preparation for your upcoming examination, that is June 2024. Yes, we all know that December 2023 cycle is just completed last week. And immediately there are some aspirants who have understood now this particular examination needs a preparation for a longer amount of time. Minimum 6 months of preparation is ideally required. And so today we have brought this induction session for all the new batches and for the new aspirants for your paper one. So basically, this is a roadmap to crack your June 2024 examination with the help of global online platform. Now let's understand what this global online platform will be, giving you. So yes, we have a complete course of paper 1 now for this June 2024 examination. So ideally, properly, basically, we will be having 5 months of preparation, a rigorous 5 months of preparation, which will be consisting of what? So what is this highlights of 5 months? So we have daily live lectures in Hindi and English, and these lectures will be ensure that these lectures are topic oriented, especially with reference to the latest cycle which has over. Full syllabus notes, you will be able to download these notes wherever you are, with your mobile phone, with your laptop, with your tablet. You can download these notes and then study on the spot. 60 plus mock test. Now apart from the 60 plus mock test, every week, basically when your syllabus starts properly, so every week on Saturdays also you will be having a weekly test based on few questions, just to give you a mock practice of your final examination. And at the same time you have a question bank till, which is including the questions till June 2023. And yes, very soon we will be adding to it the June 2024 question, sorry, December 2024 questions also. All this is available on our global online app. Now how to access the app, that also information I'll be giving you. Before that, let me tell you that the new batches which we have, okay, these new batches will be starting from 26th of December 2023. So all the students who are waiting for the new batches to start, so these new batches will start from for June 2024 examination, these batches will start from 26th of December 2023. Now, yes, I was talking you about how to access the app. So just simply you have to go to Google Play Store or download Global Online app. You can see the logo over here. Once you download the Global Online app, this is the interface which you will get. And in there, you will be having UGC 2024 course. Now, just, this is a new batch and we want all the students to take in, get an opportunity to study well and to get the benefits. So we have kept a 30% discount. As a course, complete course is for rupees 2099. So you can hurry up and avail this opportunity. And one entire cycle plus the 6 months, that is one full year, you will be getting an access to this course with all the latest addition. Now, what is the course consisting of? So yes, as I said, the course is consisting of daily live lectures. So if you're not able to catch up with the live lectures or sessions, you can get a recorded sessions, you can get the syllabus, you can get the mock test, and all this is available, faculty wise, unit wise, and this all consists also theory lectures, evaluation test, notes, mock test, and MCQs lecture. So this is all available with us. In case if you want to get in touch with us or meet us, you can just get in touch on this ping, on this numbers. You can ping us and definitely you'll get an report. Okay, so today basically is an induction lecture. So let me first give you an overview of your December 2023 examination. So you had completely 10 units for your paper 1, right? And if you look at your paper 1, that is starting from teaching aptitude as a unit, going towards the unit that is PDE, people development and environment. Every unit had, basically every unit, the question comprises of every unit in your paper 1. So it was teaching aptitude, it was research aptitude, it was communication, ICT, mathematical, logical reasoning. Then you had higher education and people development and environment. So yes, if you are asking me that, ma'am, can we drop this unit? So I will say a big no, because you never know NTA has concentrating all the units equally. In fact, this time mathematical unit was basically, the questions were by default there. Logical reasoning, the questions were two or three, but they were by default there. ICT somewhere, there were a lot of questions. In some cycle. So this units, there is no choice or option with you that okay, I can go for unit number 1, skip 2, 3, and no, not like that. You have to do all the units from first to last, that is from 1 to 10. And that's the reason we are saying that you require and rigorous 5 months of preparation. This is not a casual examination where you can just study for a day and night and then you can crack. No, you have to be very, very serious. Now, basically, this unit is, I mean to say, all these 10 units which we have, okay, they're divided into three types of category. So, the first category comes your RC and DI, which, if you really want to, these are your practice units. So, unless and until you do not practice these units, you will not be able to crack your examination at any point. I've seen many students do not do RC at all. They feel that they are very strong in the subjects and all those things, or vocabulary or English, and they take it for granted. But don't do this mistake. Scrolling time, going for the answers, getting the answers, going for the keywords takes time. So make sure that you're reading RC and DI every alternate days. So for the next 5 months, okay, you have to be very consistent in your preparation. One RC, one DI, every alternate days. So today I've done RC, tomorrow you can do DI, and then accordingly. Mathematical unit, again, this unit requires a practice and an understanding. So it is not only just a practice, but lot amount of your tricks, understanding, lot amount of your shortcuts in order to remember the tricks will really help you out to give a proper understanding of the unit in order to crack the unit. And then comes your factual unit. Now when I talk about factual unit, that is your PDE and higher education, including ICT. So these are the units where we are seeing a lot of developments are happening, digital initiatives, technology, you say, with reference to climate, you say. So these are something which are very, very factual. And without this, it is not possible for you to ensure that, you are cracking your examination. And then your teaching aptitude and communication. No doubt these units are nowadays integrated very well. So you have to have an equal concentration for these units. It's if it's These units are also, you cannot take it for granted, or these units you cannot take it just lightly and get it done. So make sure that these units are equally done with lot of concentration, slowly, gradually. See, I'm not trying to bombard you with information. I'm just trying to make sure that you people are aware of the fact, especially the students who are for the first time they're seeing this video of UGC NET Paper 1. So out of the blue moon, they do not know what exactly. So at least you will be coming across with the units. Right now, I will just give you a small demo. Like for example, teaching aptitude. Now you know this unit very well: learner characteristics, Bloom's taxonomy, teaching, learning practices. Then we have teaching tools, okay, learning theories, Swayam Prabhas, or moves. Okay, so if I talk about, like for example, if I talk about certain topics, if I take into consideration certain topics which you can call as sustainable topics in teaching aptitude, which we will be doing when I take a normal class also, will be doing. So sustainable topics, if you see, so the sustainable topics in that, if I say yes, Swayam and Swayam Prabha, okay, Swayam Prabha, then you have moves. These are the sustainable topics which are been continuously coming up, and from the time they have been coming up, it's not only focused, out exterior part. A lot of questions now, like for example, students have questions based on channels, but it is not number of channels. Yes, there is a debate on 34 channels or 40 channels, that also we will be able to see in detail when we are doing this topic. Now they are asking you the channels, with specific channel, what is the number of the channel, what channel it is dedicated as. So you should know a lot of in-depth detail about this topic. Then talking about LMS, okay, learning management system. These topics are becoming hot topics, not only in this cycle, but even in the last cycle, these topics were lot, into use. The types of evaluation, formative, summative, no doubt there is, I'm not talking that only those topics comes norm reference. This time, in fact, you have norm and criterion reference evaluation or assessment. So those topics are also important. Teaching models are important. Behaviorism, constructivism, these are very important topics, sorry, teaching models, when I talk about andragogy, pedagogy, heutagogy, and learning theories, that is constructivism, behaviorism, these are very important. And then you have a teaching support system. Basically, teaching support system, it's teaching aids. So these are some topics which, which are very, very sustainable. We need to know these topics very well, and we need to ensure that these topics are properly studied, well prepared. Now, one example I'll give you. Now see this topic, the 7 laws of teaching, right? So if you see in your syllabus, I didn't get the syllabus purposely so that, you get restricted to it. So basically, if you see at this topic, this is something which is exterior, okay, not directly syllabus oriented, something which is very quick and very exterior. So in this particular topic, if you see, there are 7 laws, okay. So it is, the first is the law of the teacher, the law of the learner, language, lesson, teaching process, learning process, review and application. I'm just giving you an understanding, how from a 360-degree you have to be prepared. So basically, this law of 7 laws of teaching, this was given by the person, that this is the name of his book. This is the book which he had written, and the person is called as John Milton. Okay, so it's John Milton. We have, that is Grigori. Okay, so John Milton Grigori is the one who has brought up these laws of teaching. So according to him, teacher should know what is to be, teacher should know what is to be taught. Basically, teacher should be prepared with her lessons. The law of learner should have a desire to learn. Language, the language should be used by the teacher, which is understandable by the students, and teacher can convey it very well to the students. The law of lesson, it means something which is taught, okay, uh, from which is known to unknown, that is previous knowledge to unknown knowledge. Then the law of teaching process, it is like a self activities of the learner. So where a teaching process, no, it is basically, learner centered. So teacher should ensure that there are learner centered methods coming up, right? And for that, self activities are very, very important. You give a project to the students, you make the students accountable. Law of learning process, so it is integration. So integration of what, integration of the concepts what they have learned with the life. So what they're learning, and what they have to do in their life, so these are integrated very well, so it becomes very quick grasp. And the law of review and application, so we definitely revise what is being taught, and then we accordingly apply those in your day-to-day life. Now these are the 7 laws, okay. And the reason to get this topic, okay, in one of the cycle, that is not very far, June 2023 cycle itself, this was a question, and they have directly asked, what is the second law as per law of teaching? See, a very simple question. I definitely, once we get the response sheet of the students of December 2023, such one topic, because students were not able to tell the questions word to word clearly, but there will be definitely one topic which you feel it's out of the syllabus, but it's not out of the syllabus. It's something which is related to the syllabus. The only thing is we have not explored it. So like that, this topic, definitely you should be knowing it. I will be taking this topic today. I just took this topic just to show you the sample, right? This too, I mean to say, for few days we'll be doing little bit of understanding of the unit. And from 26th of December, as we have informed you that from the 26th of December, we'll be having our new batches. So that time, every day, okay, the learning part will be done. But it is very important for all the students to ensure that whenever you're sitting for the class, okay, whenever I am having, you will be coming with the schedule also. The moment we have the classes, no, the classes has to be, divided into 3 categories. One, you are watching the session, okay. Second, you are preparing the notes of the session. Okay, whatever is been taught. And third, and this is really going to help you in lot many ways. And third is, it is your revision. So when this you can do only with your notes, or you can do with video and notes. So whatever you have noted down has been repeated, has been revised, and this method will help you out to make sure that you have cracked your examination very well and with all the efforts. And this, there will be no other happiness of cracking the examination of UGC, NTA NET, maybe JRF also, because these exams are not that complete, easy. So the preparation level is very hard. The understanding is very important, the concept clearance, and then the getting it cracked is also very, very important. So yes, for this coming days, we'll just see one topic like that. And yes, from 26th of December, we'll be definitely having our regular sessions. You will be getting the schedule very soon. And let me tell you one thing that we have, I mean to say, I'll be taking classes for paper 1. So paper 1, yes, I'll be taking certain units of paper 1. At the same time, I'm going to start with management classes also, topics of management as paper 2. So you will get to know that also, which will really help you out with lot of preparation for your examination, that is June 2024 examination. So yes, that's all. We have a very small interaction today. We will be meeting tomorrow also. In fact, we'll be meeting daily on this platform. Those students who have not subscribed, do subscribe, like, and share, so that you'll get the notification and you will be benefited out of this preparation of 5 months in order to crack your examination. That's all for the day. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day ahead and see you tomorrow. Thank you.